But girl, when I tell you this hair, okay, baby.
She wanna woo nigga. She wanna fight with the woo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. How are you guys doing? How y'all doing? Let me know in the comments. How y'all doing? I wanna know. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this unit from Arabella Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and pay your girls' bills. Okay. So this is a Lacewig 360 Lacewig. So it has tracks in the middle, and then it is a 360 lace, so you can put it up in a high ponytail. I talked a little bit more about that in the video. If you guys want to see how I install this hair from beginning to end, then keep on watching. So in today's hair video, I'm going to be installing a wig. This is from Arabella Hair. This is their packaging. So when you open it up, así está. So cuando abres el paquete, it looks like this. In this little pouch right here that says Arabella Bloom Your Beauty. So they sent me this cute little thing. I think it's a bracelet. It's like a pearly. That's cute. Bonito, bonito. They sent me a headband. Looks like so. Probably gonna use that cuando vaya a hacer maquillaje. And then, ooh, okay. Then they sent me a wig cap. It's perfect. And then they also sent me a edge brush. So that's really cute. That's everything that's in this little pouch. Then the next is the hair. The hair comes wrapped in, a plastic bag. You have the netting of the hair. So you just take it off, and this is the hair. Okay, so this is the Arabella Hot Lacewig 100% Human Hair 360 Lace Frontal Wig, and this is 180 density. So those are the specs of the hair. So this is a 360 lace unit. That means that I'm supposed to be able to put it up in a high pony, but your girl don't know how to put the lace in the back. Like, I know how to, but I haven't perfected it, so I don't want to inventar, to be honest. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I kind of want to try, but the lace comes across, like, around the whole perimeter of the wig, of course. The inside of the wig comes with these little things that you can attach adjustable straps to. And then you have a comb in the center, 2 combs, 1 for each side, en cada lado. Have the here and here. And then you also have a comb in the back. My hair right now was just in a low slick bun. So what I'm going to do is that I should braid my hair. Am I gonna braid my hair though? I'm not gonna braid my hair. But what I am going to do though is I'm just going to part it in the middle. I'm just gonna take bobby pin, and I'm just gonna pin it down some way, somehow. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so I went ahead and I bleached the knots on the unit. So right now it's looking like this. I also plucked it a little bit in the front. I really didn't have to do much customization to it. I mean, I haven't tried it on yet, so I don't even know that. But creo que se va a ver bien. I think it's gonna look really nice. I could have definitely bleached the knots a little bit longer. I'm going to put some bronzer on the lace. This lace is not transparent. It does have like a tint to it. It's kind of like a grayish, I don't know. It has a tint to it, okay? I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution matte bronzer in medium. It looks like this. It's kind of hard though. I kind of just go like this. So I just cut off the lace in the back, and this is a little piece of lace. that I removed. And this is what the back is looking like right now. No lace. I thought I was going to have more issues with the lace because the lace is kind of dark. So I'm just going to cut off the ear tab because as you can see it's going over my ear. Okay, so I cut this ear tab off. So it's laying like this. Now we're going to do the same on this side. Okay, so this unit, I'm actually going to put it down with hairspray. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the hair back. I'm gonna clip it. So I'm gonna take my bed head hard head spray. I'm just gonna spray this front section, and guess who has a blow dryer this time? That's me. So I'm just gonna take this down. Ooh. I'm just going to press the hair down. So now I'm going to take out the little sideburn that I'm gonna have. I'm going to spray that down and blow dry it. So now I'm gonna melt it, and what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna tie down the hair, and then I'm gonna take my blow dryer again and I'm going to blow dry like over my lace. We're gonna cut the lace, and we're gonna cut the lace in sections, and then we're gonna fix the lace again. If that makes any sense. I'm taking an eyebrow razor. It looks like this. Okay, so it's lifting like this, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to section out the baby hair part. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to pull the hairs down, and I'm going to spray some hairspray. Like that. And then now we're going to take this again and tie down the hair with the baby fronts, with the baby hairs pulled to the front. Okay, so again, hit it with the blow dryer. So now you can take your tweezers and you can start tweezing the hairs. You can start tweezing wherever you feel like it's needed, I guess. Okay, this is all the hair I just tweezed on camera. I'm going to do the baby hairs, and I just kind of take the eyebrow razor and just go with it. So now I'm just gonna take my edge brush. It's the same one that I got in the packaging, but I already have one. The lace is too dark for my skin tone. However, it still looks kind of cute though. It's just too dark. I don't think it shows that much on camera that it is too dark. At least I hope it doesn't. But in real life, it's like, okay, you kind of have to come up close, but you can definitely see it in real life that it's too dark. You know what I'm trying to say? So I'm done with the front. I'm done with the front, and I'm actually loving how this came out. Like, this is really pretty. As you guys can tell, it's been a good minute since the last clip. I just went ahead and did my makeup off camera. So now that I have my makeup on, still I feel like you could see the lace, especially right here. Now, this is the thing. I don't know if the reason why you can see the lace is because I should have bleached the knots like for a little bit longer, or if it's just because the lace is too dark for my skin color. So, however, I'm loving this hair. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do some little curls with my straightener. I'm so mad that this lace is not my color. I'm gonna try and fix it for my next install, like to see what I could possibly do about it. I just had to research a little bit, research and kind of just try a couple of things. I couldn't do the back as I wanted to do it, so I'm going to, you know, try that again another day. And then I'm probably gonna do, I guess at the next look, I'm guessing that the next look I'm gonna do with this hair is probably gonna be like a high pony, like a slick high pony. At least I'm gonna try to, just so I can actually use it for the reason that I got it. That's why I got 360 lace, so I could put it up. So I just need some help with the baby hairs in the back, like and I need to bleach the knots a little bit more as well, so I want to do that before I actually go ahead and do like the high pony situation. But yeah, this is the final look, the final result. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the quality of the hair. Like, the hair feels so soft, and I did bleach the knots. I also, meaning I had to wash the hair, and then I also straightened it a little bit. As you guys can see, it is a little bit puffy because I didn't actually fully straighten it. It's just kind of straightened the front a little bit, the back not so much. But that's because I'm kind of in a rush, okay? But overall, I'm really pleased with the hair. I think I look really cute. The only down thing about this whole unit is the fact that the lace doesn't match my skin tone. So if I would have gotten this unit with a transparent lace or HD lace or something like that, it would have been way better. This is Arabella Hair 360 loose wave. I'll put all the information in the description bar down below with links to everything that I used, and so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's an easier way to, you know, lay your lace because I only use hairspray. I didn't use no glue, no nothing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below what type of hairstyle I should do with this wig next, so I know. And share with friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.